Hello guys, welcome to Tech for Beginners, and this is the Motorola Moto E camera review. And I've already told you in my unboxing and hands-on video that the camera just work when we tap to focus and it will just click a photo like this. And there are several modes, let me show you. And also the brightness is quite good, and this is the control exposure mode, and there are various modes like this in the circular form. So this is a control exposure mode. You can control the exposure by just dropping your finger and there will be more exposure or light. So basically this feature works in the low light and also works in the daylight, so in adding the exposure to your picture and improving the display of it. And when you go down, you also see the panorama view. As you know that panorama is not much improved in this phone's camera, so I will not be making the video on the panorama feature, but yeah, panorama works good in it. And on the below you will see the geotag, just tagging and location, and this is the SD card. This is the location where you want to place your photo, in the SD card or in the, this is the widescreen option, and if you want to click a photo in the widescreen you can click that. And also you can control the voice below, and above there also is the HDR mode. As you know, the HDR is quite famous for detailing of the pictures that you took and improving the photos, the display of the photo. So I have already taken some sample pictures in the daylight as well as the artificial light, so by seeing them we will review that how it look likes. So let's see on it big screen. So yeah guys, these are the photos, and this is the artificial light one which I have shot today only, and this is the HDR or mode detailing. As you can see, this is the HDR mode, and this is the daylight without HDR. And when you will see again, this is without HDR also in the daylight mode, and this is also without HDR in the daylight. So pictures are looking crispier and saturated, but the color reproduction is not that good. As you can see, this is with HDR, so if you tap to zoom in you will see a lot of detail. This is with exposure, controlling the exposure. This is also with daylight, and zoom in if you want to zoom out, you can see this is with exposure mode. I have in the low light and the exposure, and this is without exposure mode. Also this is the HDR one, and this is without HDR, so you can see the difference between them. And this is without HDR in the low light, some light is there, and this is with HDR. So yes guys, this is also the daylight, and the pictures are sharp but not that good, averages. And with even for exposure the might not look good. And this is without HDR, and this is with HDR, so here it is. Also shotted a sample video of 1080p, so look at it and review it. So yes guys, this is the camera review, and the daylight pictures were good and crisp, but the low light as well as the artificial light were not even bearable, so it's very bad for the Moto E. And also don't have the front camera as well as the LED light on the flashlight on the back. So yeah, so if you want to buy a phone compromising the camera, then it is for you, and if you want to require a good camera, then it is not just for you. So please hit like button and comment your say below, and subscribe for more videos like that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next video. Yeah.